So, us doing another video, and comment down below that you want this IO Joker, and we definitely move him Rex, and we definitely do this. You get this at a toy drive. This is my Grinch, so we have stickers that made me open them. For this one, you open a Grinch. You get 1,000 likes, you will definitely have this. Or you give it all likes, we give you this bobblehead. A bobblehead? Yep. It's time your favorite? Yeah? Okay. First, in my bedhouse. What's up? Give me a lot likes. That's what you get. This Wednesday doll or other doll. Back of your video. Ready? Open this. Yeah. Okay. Now. Be careful with this Funko Pop. And this is so glass. So what? Come on. Funko Pop, you find one. You open. That's what a Funko Pop. You have to comment down below if you want us to paint a Grinch. You see this video about open this Funko Pops? Me too have it. This is my house. So comment down below if you want my new secret Funko Pop. If you want to look at my more video, just comment down below. That big button and you better be good. Bye-bye.